Ba ba, black sheep, have you any wool? Black sheep? What about to make a beautiful sheep? Do you want to? Yes, we'll be making a sheep in this class. Look how cute the sheep is looking. You also can make at home by following all the steps. What are the materials you need to make a sheep? Let's see. You need to have cotton, a tissue holder, then a glue stick, scale to draw, scissor to cut, and we need to have two colors of papers. One is black and one is white. Are you ready? Now I am taking some glue to attach the cotton on the tissue holder. Not the whole part. Leave some space where we'll be keeping two legs. Now separate some cotton. Take some cotton and stick it. Students, the body of a sheep is ready. Can you see? Now, let's go to make some other parts of a sheep. Keep aside and let it dry. To keep a shape of a face, here I have taken a black paper. Now it's time to draw the face. Follow your teacher that how I am drawing. This is the head. I'm drawing the half side of the face. Here is the ear. Can you see? It's half of the face, and if you fold it and cut it, then you will get the full face. Okay? Let's cut. Yes, we got the face. Now we have to make eyes, legs, and hands. Let's draw the hands first. Now let's draw the leg. Very simple. If you fold the paper and cut it, you'll get two legs and two hands. Now, hands and legs are ready. Now let's make some other parts. It's time to draw eyes. For eyes, I'm going to draw a circle on black paper. Let's draw a circle. Can you see the shape? Now let's attach the black one on the white. Now again we'll be making two tiny circles. Can you see the shape? So our eyes are ready, hands and legs are ready. Now it's time to attach. But last but not the least, we have to make some hair with the cotton. Take some cotton again and attach it on top of the shape. So head is ready. Now let's stick two eyes. Take some glue on the back side. These are the hands. It's almost ready. Now let it dry. How cute the shape is looking. Do you want to make some more? Then don't forget to join our next classes because our Sharfin will be there to show you exciting crafting.